Have you ever felt the deep ache of losing someone you truly cared about? Maybe she walked away, lost interest, or drifted apart without a clear reason. You might be tempted to chase her, beg her, or overanalyze every detail of what went wrong, but here's the cold hard truth: doing that will only push her further away. So what works? What can you do to get her back and make her respect and desire you more than ever? The answer lies in Stoicism. Let's dive in throughout history. Men have faced heartbreak. Even the most powerful emperors, warriors, and thinkers have experienced rejection and loss. Marcus Aurelius, the great Stoic emperor, understood that attachment leads to suffering. He wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This applies to relationships too. The moment you focus on what you can control, your mindset, actions, and growth, you shift the entire dynamic. Chasing, pleading, or becoming emotionally desperate destroys attraction, but indifference, see self-improvement and mastering your emotions, that's magnetic. If you want her to come back, you must become the kind of man she regrets leaving. Let's break down the Stoic approach that makes this possible. The Stoic strategy to make her come back. Number 1. Stop chasing the power of indifference. Women are instinctively drawn to strength and emotional control. The moment you start chasing, texting, or proving your worth, you signal weakness. Instead, go silent, give her space. This isn't a manipulative tactic, it's a way to reclaim your power. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it, that matters." When she sees that you're unfazed by her absence, she'll start to wonder, why isn't he chasing me? Has he moved on? Is he seeing someone else? That curiosity and uncertainty create attraction. Number 2. Become a Stoic man of value. The best way to make her regret leaving is to become a better version of yourself. This isn't about revenge or making her jealous. It's about genuine self-improvement. Focus on your purpose. Women respect men with ambition and drive. Improve physically, mentally, and emotionally. Work out, read, meditate, socialize, meet new people, and expand your world. Show her that your happiness isn't dependent on her. Senecaeans wrote, "Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity." The moment she notices your transformation, she'll feel the shift. Number 3. Let her commit you. When a woman senses that a man has moved on and is thriving, it triggers something deep within her. She starts reminiscing, comparing you to other men, and questioning if she made the right choice. The moment she reaches out, even subtly, don't jump at the opportunity. Respond calmly, but stay in control. Don't bring up the past. Let her feel like she's rediscovering you. Keep conversations light, positive, and confident. Make her earn back your attention. This is where attraction rekindles. How to use this knowledge to your advantage. 1. Cut off all unnecessary contact. If she left, let her feel your absence. 2. Rebuild your self-work on your health, confidence, and mindset. Live your life as if she's never coming back. Ironically, this is what makes her reconsider. If she reaches out, don't rush. Stay calm, confident, and composed. 5. Let her prove she deserves a second chance. A high-value man doesn't take back someone who disrespected him easily. Remember, you are the prize. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude confidence, purpose, and emotional control. If she doesn't come back, you've still won, because you've become stronger, wiser, and more attractive than ever. Heartbreak isn't a setback, it's an opportunity. The pain you feel now is fuel for your transformation. Follow these Stoic principles, and not only will she come back, but you'll have the power to decide if you even want her anymore. If this video gave you value, like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful Stoic wisdom. And remember, true strength isn't about getting her back, it's about becoming the man you were meant to be.